Okay, so now let's read Peppa Pig. Peppa visits the Australian rainforest. Peppa is on holiday in Australia, visiting her friend Kylie Kangaroo. Mrs. Kangaroo is taking everyone to an Australian rainforest. Before we set off, I have an extra surprise for you all, announced Mrs. Kangaroo. Take a look inside this box. It's a rainforest scavenger hunt, says Mrs. Kangaroo. These notebooks will tell you what to look for. Oh, gasped Peppa and Kylie. When they reached the rainforest, the children opened their scavenger hunt books. We have to find things that are leafy, fluttery, feathery, climby, and splashy, says Kylie. There are leafy things everywhere, says Peppa. And look, I can see something else. Fluttery butterflies, cry Kylie and Peppa. After checking leafy things and fluttery things off their list, Peppa and Kylie spot something on the ground. Feathers, says Peppa, pointing. But where are they coming from? Asked Kylie, looking around. Beautiful feathery birds, cried Peppa. Peppa and Kylie carry on with their hunt until suddenly, oh no, cried Peppa, rain! Rainforests are very good at making rain, says Kylie. Wow, wow! What's that sound? Asked Peppa. That's a tree frog, says Mrs. Kangaroo. Their sticky feet help them to climb. It is time to go home, but Peppa is sad. We still need to find something splashy, he sighed. Says Mummy. Has anyone seen Daddy Pig? Splash! One splashy thing's coming right up, cried Daddy Pig. He leaps into a mud puddle with a huge splash. This is the best rainforest trip ever, says Kylie. And this is the best, splashiest muddy puddle ever, cheers Peppa. That's the end.